What's up everyone, CPS blog is here and today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is that here's the WS-114241-3, an error occurred connecting to the server. It's a connection error, a network error. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen, and look at that. Here we simply go to the settings here, and user and accounts, you check this your PSN account in signed in or not, and then login settings. So you must check your console is logged in or not. If not logged in, you just set on them automatically logged in, and then go to the network. Check the view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, Sony are working on the updates, that's why you get this error. If the server is not working, then you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically. If the server is working up and good, you have a local internet problem, and you set the server settings, advanced settings, your Wi-Fi settings, but I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable than the Wi-Fi. And if you want to use a Wi-Fi, you can change the DNS settings simply, and MTU settings, which one is working good, you just put it here, and simply that's how you can do it and set the network connection on the PS5. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one, for the next topic.